Just come to share with you two more Traveller's Notebooks that I've finished. One is sunflower themed and the other one is Patchwork Botanicals, and both kits are from Artie May's, and I will link Artie May's her website below. So I will show you the sunflower one first. So it's got this lovely cover on there, pattern cardstock sewn onto some white cardstock. Use this image from the kit and then one of these little words, and these are freebies on Artie May's website. If you go on there and then click under freebies, she's got quite a few things on there that you can use. So the organza ribbon is just tied around it, it's not attached. Traveller's Notebook measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. There are 80 pages front and back. So let me do a flip. So we have this lovely sunflower paper from the kit, and we have some pockets, and there is a mixture of ephemera from Tsunami Rose as well, and the tags and everything are from Artie May's. Excuse me. So that's what's in there. We have a doily and a dictionary page, some Edith Holden, some edge punching, some vintage, I think this is like a vintage letter. This actually flips out, and then we just have some extra writing space there. And where did my paper clip go? We have some fabric tabs, and they're just stapled on. There is a tag here, and this is an envelope which is just attached with a paper clip. And that just pops in there. Kind of matches that page as well. This again is another fold out or flip out, like so. And we have this journaling card from the kit, and then this is just one of the full pages, but I did printed it out a little bit smaller and I've just folded it, like tri-folded it, so it's extra journaling space. We have a doily, some edge punching, this fluffy trim, which I've only got a tiny little bit left of that. I'll have to source that because it was had a big massive ball of it sent to me, and I've been using it for forever. So we have another pocket here, and this is from the kit, some ephemera, another journaling card from the kit, and a handmade tag. Another doily, dictionary page, Edith Holden, some music paper, a flip out here, fabric tab, centre of the signature, another envelope here. I'm going to start working in my own personal journals, and what I'm gonna do is each page that I do, I'm going to video me doing it. I've got so much to add, and I've got two massive tubs of things that I've kept, and they're just piling up, and I really need to start documenting it all. Well, I'm a bit of a collector of all sorts of things, so I just like to pop them into my journal, but I've been getting some ideas from various ladies who are doing process videos on like their personal journals. Pocket here, envelope here, and I watch people all the time, but I'm really determined this year to try, even if it's only 1 page a week that I do, then I need to get it done. I bet you there's loads of you out there who've got lots and lots of documenting to do in your journals, and you just never do it. Just keep making journals and not actually using them. Some ephemera, a tag, another tag, and a journaling card. Flip out here, you could staple that and make that a little pocket, or not. Dictionary page, doily, another flip out, another journaling card, and then another one of these pages that have just been tri-folded. And you can do lots of journaling in that. So that is the sunflower one. Let me set that to one side. Oh, I've got such a mess. If you could see the mess to the right of me, you would be mortified. So this is the Patchwork Botanicals. Again, sorry, I just jiggled the camera. Again from Artie Mays. And it's, again, same size as the other ones. Same amount of pages. That is the cover. Cardstock sewn onto white cardstock. And this one's called Memories. So let's go inside. We have a pocket here, the tag and some ephemera and a journaling card from the kit. Silly struggle to get this in. No, I've done it. I've tried to move my seat a little bit closer to the table when I'm videoing. And I've done that earlier. And I got stuck and I couldn't get out. I'd actually pushed myself under that much that my legs couldn't move, and I was like, I don't know how I've done it, but I managed to get out. All safe and sound now. Music page, which is a flip out, and here we have a postcard from the kit, some ephemera, and then another one of these. I think these are a good addition. I love the, I don't know if this was tea or coffee, but I love how that page come out. I save all them. I don't tend to use a lot of them in my journals because sometimes I think some of them are too dark. So we have some crocheted trim in this one. This is a double journaling card. And again, that's from the kit. Oh, and this is a flip out. So it just flips right out. Postcard from the kit. And another trifold. It's one of the pages from the kit. For a moment then I didn't even think I was recording. Ugh. How many of you have done that? Doily, edge punching. Another page from the kit. It's a little bit crumpled. These words here are from Carol Tinson, who her Facebook group is called I don't know if it's The Crafty Emporium or Crafty Emporium, and she's got these up as a freebie. So thank you, Carol, for them. I do like words. I do have stamps with all these kind of words on them, but I like to print them out. Tag from the kit, handmade tag, some ephemera, and an envelope with the journaling card inside. Yeah, and these words, I just put them onto, inked around the edges, put them onto cardstock, and then glued them to some fabric. Some Edith Holden, another flip out here. Centre of the signature, lots of journaling space, flip out here. A flip here with, again, a postcard from the kit. And oh, look at that one, that's really dark with a white splodge in the middle. Oops, can we go that way? Journaling card, whoops. Again, this is another nice page, it's got some nice markings on it. A doily, another pocket here. We have a journaling card which I had to trim down to fit in the pocket, a tag, and some ephemera. Some crocheted trim, another one of Carol's words, this one says dream. We have a journaling card, an envelope. There's nothing in the envelope. And tag from the kit and a handmade tag. Little flip there. Dictionary page and a doily. And then we have, I don't want to come off, and we have a postcard and just one of the pages shrunk down a little bit, and then tri-folded for some journaling space. So that all pops in there. That is that one. So that is, I've still got 2 more Traveller's Notebooks to make, because I started, actually I thought I'd prepared 6, but it was actually 7 that I'd prepared, and I'm just trying to do a few at a time, not going to work on them all at the same time. So that was another 2 that I finished. These will be for sale, the link will be below, as will Artie May's. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.